Hey everybody, I'm Maker Marcus, and today I'm playing some more Minecraft. And today I have a few questions, to try and solve. One, normally you open a chest, you see whatever you have inside. What if I pushed it into what if I used the thing like what we did in the last episode and pushed it into me? Would I be able to see the redstone inside? Well, I wanted to check it out. I did this test just now, and so I want to try and so I know what the answer will be, but I want to show you guys. Will I be able to see the redstone inside the chest? 3, 2, 1. No. All you see is this. It just looks like a button. You just see a button. And now if I right click, what? And the other thing is, you can close a chest on yourself. You can close a chest on yourself. You can literally, and if you crouch, you can see it. You can see it on how a chest isn't actually as small as it looks. Like, look, you in the very middle of the piston, you crouch and you can see it. But then it doesn't look like that. What? Can someone please explain this stuff to me? You see nothing but that. Can someone please? Just please. And if I see this, I can see the outsides. Ah! I'm out of here. And my other question to solve is, you know how it spins, and whenever you place a ladder on something, you break it. It does that. Well, what if when that's spinning, will it break the ladder? What? It won't even let me place it. Lol. It literally won't even let me place it. Come on, please, let me place it. Okay, I'm done. I've had enough. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna use this command that I learned just now. Yeah, I was watching this cool person called ElementX, and if you are him, shout out to you if you comment on this video, because I am so thankful that you actually you literally taught me how to use another command. All right, now for the and also I got this idea from ElementX as well. So yeah, so I also know the answer. Will it break? What? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna see if maybe it was just the wrong one, because I think there's a thing where I can do this. No. Oh my gosh. Set block ladder facing west. I don't even know if it's the right direction. I'm not this good at commands yet. Not that ladder. Replace destroy key. West. Hold on. I'm right here. It changes the thing. I go right here. Right here is 4. Right here is 5. Oh, maybe if I set it to my coordinates? 4, 5, 4, 7, 4. 4, 5, 4, 7, 4, 4, 5, 4, 7, 4, 4, 5, 4. 4, 5, 4, 7, 4. Huh? Well, look. He tried this in Java and it broke, so those in Java, you test it, it's gonna be different. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to test in this video. I mean, but sure, are you trying to think of a way to, like, prank your friends to make it look like, and you use a barrier, you can see the outlines. You use, or if they just do this, they can literally. And if you try to use the structure void, which the ladder works on that too, you can walk right through, but you can still see the outline. I can fix your problem. All you need to do is /set block. You need to put those 3, or else you need to do ladder and then the coordinates. Why didn't I just do that before? Oh my gosh. Ladder. And then midair. Absolutely nothing. No outlines? No. Absolute no. Hanging on something? No. Now, do you think, since it's just staying there and it's nonsense, are you thinking we'll do it with sand? Maybe it's another way to make it float. I'm pretty sure it doesn't actually work that. And I'm really sure, because a lot of times I'm wrong. Yeah. Nope. Sorry, guys. It's just the one ender portal trick thing that actually works. Yeah, these systems were just to try and get to stack slabs, but I had figured it out using another design. And you literally, what? Please explain this to me. And this does absolutely nothing. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I was using this off camera. Well, in my last video, you saw how it was broken with the glitch, but before that, off camera, I was using this to get my level to a ridiculous amount. Also, what was that creepy noise? I think I saw a video that said, though, if you ever hear that sound in Minecraft, delete your world. Yet I hear it every day, and I still haven't deleted it. So, I'm like a legend. OMG, that's so weird. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's episode of Minecraft. Hope you've enjoyed the tests that I thought of. But with that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.